Hello everyone, Brian here from South Holland Library. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Beanstack account for our Summer Library Challenge 2020. So the first thing you want to do is to download the Beanstack Tracker app. So from there, after you've got it downloaded, you want to click on the Beanstack app and then click Get Started. So from here it asks you, does your school, library, or bookstore already use Beanstack? So you're going to hit Yep. So from here you're going to type in South Holland Library. Hit search. It will come up South Holland Public Library. So from here, it'll bring you to our front screen here where it tells you to log in or sign up. So from here, we're just going to go to the bottom and hit Don't Have an Account, Sign Up. So we'll create an account. So now we'll just pick a username. So we'll just go with Librarian3, and then we'll type in our password to create, and then we'll hit Done. So the next screen is personal information. So tell us just a little bit more. So we'll just type in our name, John Jones, how about that? Or John Doe, actually. We'll just do John Doe 5. And then we'll hit Done. Contact information. So email is optional. However, you will need to put in your phone number in case you do win prizes. So 708, let's just do 444-2222. Done. The next screen says, yay, you're all signed up. So you'll need at least one reader on the account in order to use the app's challenge, tracking, and highlights features. So we'll just fill out my reader profile. And so we're going to select our age. We'll hit 18 plus because we will be an adult. We'll hit continue. It'll give us an option to add our profile picture. We can always add this later, so we'll hit continue. School information. If we have a school or if we're signing up children, we have a list of schools here. But since we are an adult, we're just going to hit adult, not applicable. And then from here, we'll just hit continue. And so our reader's profile is complete. So if we wanted to add children, we're just going to hit add another reader. And so we'll just do Johnny Doe. And then we're going to select the age. Let's just do age 4. We'll hit continue. Profile picture can be added later. We'll hit continue. School. We're just going to select Greenwood. We'll hit continue. And then we'll hit continue. And so that's how you create an account, and that is how you add readers for our Summer Library Challenge. Thank you for watching, and see you later.